Well, after much anticipation, Apple welcomes customers to its iconic Mumbai BKC store. Apple CEO Tim Cook inaugurated the company's flagship store in Mumbai. This is Apple's first company-owned store in India, just like Dubai and London. Apple's CEO Tim Cook expressed his excitement, saying he was excited to build a long history with India. The store has 100 employees fluent in 20 different languages to cater to all customers. Cook met with the employees a day ahead of the launch. The CEO of Apple also met Bollywood actor Madhuri Dixit and shared a vada pav with her. The photo has gone viral on Twitter. Later in the day, Cook also met actor Shilpa Shetty in Mumbai. This is an exclusive sneak peek into the Apple store inaugurated by Tim Cook earlier, where he interacted with the employees. All of them, we're being told, are proficient in 20 languages to cater to just about everyone. This is a big development being reported. In fact, my colleague, our tech editor, Aayush, is in fact at this iconic store. It's a big day, Aayush, for those who are in fact fans of this brand. And of course, this is an important development vis-a-vis Apple's investment in India.
It's a massive development, and honestly, I hope you're playing the visuals of Tim Cook opening the store. Even if we just pan very
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.